Everybody, my name is Victor Mendez-Cross. I'm the FAE manager here at AVer USA, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about our connected health or our healthcare cameras. So what you're seeing right now, we do have two different SKUs. This is our MD33OU/UI, and then over here, mounted on the cart, we have our brand new MD33OU. So these are our connected health products. These do have a medical grade certification. They do have that IEC power certification, as well as anti-UV housing. So the main idea behind these products is to be used in the healthcare space, whether it's telehealth, telenursing, or patient monitoring. Both of the cameras you see in front of you, they do have a built-in two-way communication, speaker and microphone. The 331, that's a 10-watt speaker. The 330, that is going to be your 3-watt speaker. They are both a 30x optical zoom 4K camera with infrared, so you can monitor your patient in those low to no light environments. Cool use case behind the 330, it does have the detachable lens. So if I were to hit that mode button, you're going to see it pan up, and then I can take the lens out of the cradle. Use case for this would be if a doctor or a specialist needs to get a closer look at a wound, or a closer look at an abrasion in the skin to see how that is healing or how that's holding up. We can put the lens back in the cradle, it'll do its little song and dance, and then reset to that home position. So both of these are currently in stock. We are showing them on the trade show floor. The 331 is a brand new product that we're announcing at InfoComm 2026. If you guys need any more information, please feel free to check us out at averusa.com. You can always send me an email. I'd be happy to hop on a call with you guys and show you these products and work it out with you. Thanks, guys.